Alright, shore fishing. We're doing some crazy shit again. Brian said he ain't coming. He'll watch. What? Damn, I almost broke my rod tip. Trying to get around to this other side of the fort where the sun's up a bit better. Trying to get to that point and cast and see what I can pick up. I'm gonna go around the other side too, but for now, fish on, guys. Woo! Fish on. Brian, fish on! Brian! Big ass jack, Brian! Two of them, two big ones. Come over here quick, Brian! Brian, the other one's following him. Spoon! Hurry up, the other one, big one is here with him. Oh fuck, guys. I gotta get him. Gotta get him. Holy shit. Jamaican shore fishing. He was hitting after it for a while, guys. Holy smokes. Big jack. Woo-hoo. Big jack, guys, big jack. Fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Spoon lure. Tequila. Fish on, guys. Woo-hoo. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Woo-hoo. Barra. Got him, guys. Woo-hoo. Gotcha. Fish on, guys. Barracuda. The killer. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. That's what's up. Got him. Tarpon, guys. Tarpon, guys. Woo. Tarpon, guys. Got him, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Tarpon, guys. Woo. Come on, baby. He's still green. Look at him. Look how big this monster is, guys. On my light setup. Woo. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing. Oh, he popped off. He popped off, guys. Woohoo. You seen that, guys? Holy shit. Got him. That was a fight. Woohoo. Let's get another one, guys. Action packed. Tarpon adventure, guys.
This guy's another one is on. Yeah, we catch one. He's over there already. See this one?
Fish on, guys. Look at this.
This one.
Ooh. Fish on, guys. Monster snapper. Look at this, guys. Look at this snapper, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Haha. Brap, brap.
Hey.
Killer. Fish on, guys. Woo! Lara. Yeah. Jamaican shore fishing. Got him. Oh shit, he let go. Woo! Yeah, shore fishing. This is what happened after catching that fish just now.
Nice.
Hold on. Try and take off the bar, Brian. That's what I'm trying to do. What?
Oh, fuck me.
Jerry, come and come and I put it.
Alright. Me and Brian there, so I mash up the rest of the fish. The 2 barra and the jack gone. Nothing left.
I know we all don't eat it still.
Yeah. No.
Fish are fish here.
Yeah, everybody eat fish. But me and Brian are scrape. Look at that, 2 barra.
But Jerry, what kind of thing that? You see me,
But
yeah, bank up the thing and you just
but
take
no, you scrape it up for me.
not scrape up the you. Sure.
So, I got to spoon out of this. But clean up this mess here now.
And prepare for the crab.
Prepare for the crab. Hold it here. 1 bag. One thing. Just know people. We're going at it.
Got ya. Fish on. Fish on, Philip. Woohoo! Long jaw. You can't cut me leaf. Woohoo! Yeah! Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing. That is it. Long jaw. Look when he eat them. Needle nose, long jaw, ballyhoo. Yeah, about 10 pounds. Woohoo! Where's it, Philip? Philip. Yeah. Shore fishing. Now it's your turn. That's what's up.
Black man the traveller. Right now we're here in Montego Bay, yeah. Jerry. Big YouTubers are here, guys. Listen, we should grow together and work together. So I'm in Montego Bay for the first time in Jamaica. He's going to take me around right now. We're at Juicy's Patty. And we're going to be exploring some interesting spots here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. I'm lucky because I'm going to get some exclusive content that no other foreigner or no other country has. So guys, please support him. And also I'm going to make a video with him as well. And I'm going to put his social media
Woo. Today's your day, bro. Working. If you have to go over the lines, go over the lines, bro. Go over the lines. Go over the lines. Go over. Work it. That's it, bro. Get him, bro. Working, bro. Just working, bro. Work him. You're over this line, you know. Oh, shit. Fish on, Brian. Good fish. Good fish, Brian. Fish on, Brian. Get this on video. Good fish. Good fish. That is it, guys. Good fish. Jamaican shore fishing. Good fish, Brian. He hit that line like a gunshot a while ago, Brian. Woo! Baby! Look at this. Get me. Hey, look what I'm so white face. Say what? Like, oh, you say Mr. White, like a mumpy. Mr. White, let me get my pliers. Now I want pliers. Hold on. Let me get my pliers. Hold on there.
Jerry, hook him. Lick him.
Fish on, guys. Fish on, yep. Fish on. Got him. Blacks, control that alarm. Blacks. Control that alarm, quick. Hurry up. Just pinch and take off. Alright, I got him. Fish on. Woo-hoo. Jamaican shore fishing. We got something good. Here, guys. Woo-hoo.
Yeah, snapper. Look like a snapper. Snapper, baby. That's what's up. Jamaica Shore Fishing. First one of the day. That's what's up, guys. Where's that now, dogs? Look like this. He's ready. His face is ready, guys. You come behind me and you see a bumbo clot thing, dogs. See what happen when I cast out, dog? I look behind me and make sure I clear first, you know. You going on your skin? Eh? Yeah. You know something, I'm going to pull you out though. Dogs, don't come behind me when I cast, dogs. Hold on there, Gio. Jesus Christ. Nell, all me talk to the man not to come behind me when I cast lure, brother. Gio, you know something, I'm going to pull you out.
Yeah, okay, Brian.